Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Ferrari Portofino. First, make sure your key fob is inside the car. This is essential for the vehicle systems to recognize you. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. It's a crucial safety step before engaging the engine. Finally, confirm that the gear selector is in the P position. This ensures the car is ready for a safe start. Now, let's get that engine roaring. Look for the distinctive red engine start button prominently located on your steering wheel. With your foot still on the brake, press and hold this button for just a moment. You'll hear the powerful Ferrari engine ignite with its signature sound. It's an exhilarating moment, signaling your Portofino is ready for the road. After the engine starts, take a moment for a few quick checks. Glance at your dashboard to ensure no warning lights are illuminated. It's always good practice to let the engine run for a few seconds, allowing the oil to circulate properly. Finally, adjust your seat, steering wheel, and mirrors to your preferred driving position, ensuring comfort and clear visibility. With everything checked, you're now ready to drive your Ferrari Portofino. Use the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel to select your desired gear, typically D for drive. If the electronic parking brake is engaged, release it. Then, gently press the accelerator pedal and feel the incredible power as your Portofino smoothly begins to move. Enjoy the drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.